Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't mind the Glee music playing in the background. We are not going to talk about it. But today I did this makeup tutorial and I wanted to show you how I did it. It's very easy and simple. It's kind of all over the place because I cut it and do some makeup off camera and whatever. So it's kind of all over the place. But this is what it looks like. So if you want to know how to do it, keep watching. Okay, so I already started my base and stuff, but I wanted to show you guys the powder bronzer that I'm going to be using because it's new to me, so I wanted to test it out with you guys. It's the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder, but it's in the shade Toffee. I have this powder in the shade Porcelain that I use as like a normal powder, but I heard this shade is good for bronzer, so I wanted to test it out. Just looks like this. I think it comes with a little like puffy thing. Yeah, but I don't use it. And it comes with a little mirror, which is pretty good quality. But yeah, I'm just going to test out the bronzer. I'm going to take the Juno & Co. angled brush and just tap it in there. And tapping it on my face where I had done my cream bronzer. I mean, it blends nicely. It's just a powder, just like a darker shade. I like this trick and stuff. I've done it with other powders before. It's just a nice thing to do. And I mean, they make specific bronzers and stuff, but sometimes a powder is nicer because it's a little bit more subtle and it blends better with your face products. So yeah, I really like this. I think it looks good. I'm just gonna take it down my neck as well. I'm gonna take my Morphe E62 mini angled brush and use this for my nose. So now that that is done, I'm gonna go do some powder and then we'll come back because I have a blush that I wanna try out with you guys. So I'll be right back. So I did powder and stuff and now I wanna try out this blush. It's the Wet n Wild Hello Halo Blush Lighter. In the shade I Met Someone. It had that like gross CVS sticker on it and even this one I can't get off. But yeah, it's just a like shimmery blush and then it has a highlight as well. So I'm gonna use this as blush for right now. I'm gonna take my Morphe M105 brush and I'm just gonna dip in the blush side and it looks pretty pigmented. And then I'm just gonna apply it to my cheeks and dust off that powder. So it does have a little highlight moment to it. I like these kind of products, like a blush topper, a blush lighter is what Wet n Wild is calling it, because I don't like a super shimmery highlight. So this just creates a nice little sheen and it looks really nice in my opinion. So I'm just adding that on my cheeks. I added it to my nose and I'm adding it to my forehead. Yeah, I think it looks pretty good. So I'm gonna go apply some cream blush off camera, get rid of this powder, and then we can start the eye look, which is what this video mainly is about. So I'll be right back once again. So we can get started on the eyes now. When I did my concealer, I applied some to my eyelids, and I didn't set them with powder. The concealer I used was the JOAH Wand Me Up concealer in the shade Fair, in case you're wondering. But for this look, I'm going to be using the Tati Beauty Volume 1 Textured Neutrals palette. This is such a good, just like go-to everyday palette. I know she's like canceled and no one really likes her, but I love her palette, so I still use her palette. So yeah, I'm just gonna get started. It's a really simple look. It's really easy. I'm gonna start with the Scone blending brush. It's like a flatter top. And I'm going to mix Soothe and Aura Matte, so these two right here, to create a nice transition shade. And I'm just going to, tapping out the creases. And I'm just going to blend this into my entire crease and outer corner. It's laid down. I'm gonna take this Tarte double-sided brush, but I'm gonna take this fluffy side, and I'm gonna blend the Ritual and Poet matte shades, so the darker brown and the pink, because I wanna create like a warmer look with this, and I'm just gonna start blending it all over the lid and the crease. And once that's laid down, it's not completely blended, but I'm just gonna take more of just the Poet shade to warm it up and make it a little bit more like pink than brown. And then we'll go in after and blend those top edges. And I'm gonna go in with that Scone brush and the Soothe shade and just blend out those edges. Yeah, this is basically the top of the eye done. It's just a really like smoky, all over the lid kind of look. So now I'm just gonna do a little winged liner. This is the Kat Von D, or now it's called KVD Beauty, tattoo liner in the shade Trooper Black. So I'm just gonna do a wing. I'm gonna shake it first. And I'm not gonna bring it all the way in. I just kind of kept it right on the outer part of my eye. I ended up messing this wing up, so I decided to just bring the black in all the way, but it's still pretty thin. So yeah, now we can get to work on the lower lash line. I'm going to take the Morphe E43 brush. It's just a flat top, like lower lash line kind of brush. And I'm going to, again, mix the Ritual shade and the Poet shade. Taking, like, it's more Poet, though, to keep it more like that rosy pink. And I'm going to keep this pretty close to the lash line, and I'm bringing it all the way across. And then we're going to blend it out after. Like that. So it looks very harsh right now, but we're obviously going to fix it. I'm going to take the Morphe M506 brush. It's a little fluffy brush, and I'm going to take the Soothe shade and just blend that out and buff it out. We're looking very like vampy and stuff. I'm going to add the Essence Extreme Lasting Eye Pencil in the shade But First Espresso. It's just a brown pencil liner, and I'm going to add this to my waterline and my tight line. Brighten it up a little bit. I'm going to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. I'm taking the Morphe M431 pencil brush and the Aura Metallic shade right here. And I'm just going to add that to my inner corners and my brow bones. I'm kind of like dragging it a little bit down the lower lash line, but not too much. And I'm just taking that Scone blending brush with nothing extra on it and just going over the highlight a little bit so it's not as harsh and the edges look better. So yeah, that's the eyes. Now we're just gonna add mascara. I'm gonna curl my lashes with my Tarte eyelash curler and add the L'Oreal Air Volume Mega Mascara to my top and bottom lashes. You can obviously add lashes too if you want, but I just applied 2 coats of mascara and I'm content with this. So yeah, now I'm going to apply some highlight off camera, come back, do lips because I have some products I want to try with you, and yeah, so I'll be right back. Applied some highlighter. I used I used my L'Oreal Lumi Glow thing, and then I went back and applied this highlight side to my nose. And now we can do lips. So I want to try the Juvia's Place, the Nude Mauve Velvety Matte Lipstick in the shade Kabi, I think is how you pronounce it. I don't really know. But it's a dark mauve shade. This is what it looks like. It's the darkest out of all the Juvia's Place lipsticks I had got from a while ago. And then I want to use just a clear lip gloss that I had got. This is the Essence Shine 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 Wet Look Lip Gloss. And it's called Behind the Scenes. But it's literally just a clear gloss. But I heard it's really good, so I want to try it. But yeah, first we're just gonna apply the lipstick. Hopefully I don't regret not using a lip liner, but we'll just try it. This is what the lipstick looks like. It's very dark, but I kind of like it, especially with this look. So I say that's a win. Now I'm gonna try out the Essence gloss. The applicator is just like a, I don't know, it's one of those like doe foot ones, I guess, I don't know. But I'm just gonna apply this. Oh yeah, it's very shiny. Oh my god, that is really glossy. I'm gonna just wipe the tip off so it doesn't go back in the applicator, in the gloss like that. Oh my god, but that's really glossy. I kind of like it. I'm gonna go do my brows because I've been doing them the same way, and I'll come back to show you everything completely done. So this is the completed look. I did my brows with the Makeup Revolution soap styler, and I set my face with the Patrick Ta Major Glow Dewy Milk Mist in She's Thirsty. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was kind of all over the place, but I wanted to show you this kind of more vampy, easy, warm eye look. So yeah, thumbs it up, and yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.